So this is a Scotty 341 base, and these are the bases that are installed, factory installed, 5 to 7 locations on our Stryker boat. So inside here, it tells you exactly what hardware to use. All of our products at Stryker come with that hardware in all of the kits. And what that is a 1/4 to 20 by 7/8. So what you do is you square that up and you just get all 4 just started. And then you go back and you retighten. One thing to keep in mind for the 241 locking mount is you want to have your lock positioned inboard. Inboard refers towards inside of the boat.